Have you guys ever wanted your very own free, always online Minecraft server? Well, now you can with Phalanx nodes. The first thing you're going to want to do is click that first link in the description, and that will bring you to this page here. When you click free hosting, it will bring you to a Discord sign-in. Now, you can use an alt account if you don't want Phalanx nodes to be able to access your account, but it is completely safe, so there's nothing wrong with using your main account. I recommend clicking Discord without auto join, because that will allow you to join without having to join the Phalanx node server first. So I'm going to click authorize right here, and this will log you straight in to your Phalanx nodes panel where you can create a server. So here you can see everything about you can make. So I can make up to 8 servers, and I have 8,000 megabytes of RAM. So right here I'm going to create a new server. So as you can see, I already have a survival server, but clicking create server on the side will bring you to the page where you can create a new server. So after creating your server, you'll be brought to this page right here where you open panel login, and you're going to click open panel, which will bring you to the Phalanx nodes panel, and you're going to want to sign in here the first time you head on it. If you've already signed in, you should just automatically sign you in when you get in again, and you can see the server I just created called video is there. So I'm going to open that quickly, and it may come up with an error when you first load the page up. You can just reload it. So right here in the top corner, you'll be able to see some things about your server, like the server IP and port, as well as whether it's online or not, the amount of RAM it's using, and how much CPU it's using. All you're going to do is click start on that server, and here you'll be able to choose what kind of server you want. So I'm going to type in 2, which will allow me to use Minecraft Bedrock software. Now, I recommend either choosing Pocketmine MP, which is this one here, so you type in 4, or using vanilla Bedrock. So Pocketmine MP if you're looking for a plugin based server like Factions, for example, and vanilla Bedrock if you want it to be a server, say like just a survival server, so like an SMP. So right here I have chosen to install Pocketmine MP, and it's going to install everything right now. And as you can see, it's already done. So server marked as running, and you can see my server is now working. So I can head on to my server on Minecraft. So right here, guys, I have added my server, and you can see I've called it video, and the IP and port are in. So the first half of that text at the top will be your IP, and for me that's that, and then there's port, which is after the 2 dots. And right here, it's only allowing you to use 10 players for Pocketmine regularly, or 20 actually, but you'll be able to change that. All you need to do is just type in a new number, and then you'll be able to restart the server, and more players will be able to join. So it's as simple as that, guys, and you have your working server. So if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And for now, bye.